Hey there, creative dreamers. If you're loving these Wombo Dream AI prompts and want to see more colorful, whimsical, and imaginative ideas, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment with your thoughts or ideas, and share it with your fellow artists and creators. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all the latest AI art tips, tricks, and magical prompts. Your support helps this channel grow and keeps the creative energy flowing. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Let's keep dreaming and creating together.